Hello, people. I'm very particular about doing 2 videos a day, no matter what. And like I was saying in my previous video, I don't know. Maybe I would, if I take up a full-time assignment, then doing this YouTube recording will be so tough, yeah. And that's what I need to. But see, it's a very bright, summery yellow color. So, so no. I mean, I'm just thinking something as simple as wearing a dupatta and doing the videos. Something as simple as that is like it takes effort, yeah. I have to retrieve my dupatta from somewhere in the cupboard, because when you're at home, you're just at home, right? So anyway, I'll catch a breakfast. It's going to be 11, I think. Oh man, yes, it's going to be 11. So I'll go and eat my first meal of the day, and then I have to wait for this set of assignments to arrive. Lots of work to be done. So I'll catch you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.